Good morning everybody and welcome to class number 28, that is the potential theory classes. In previous class we have already discussed potential and potential difference. What do you mean by potential? What do you mean by potential difference? And also I have discussed what do you mean by 1 volt potential? What do you mean by 1 volt potential difference? एगुड़ा मु सब कही एंड आ गोटे भी भल कथा गोटे कही गोटे चार्ज जो गोटे पॉइंट रे आम पोटेंशियल कि बाहर कर सपोज दिस इज द चार्ज क्यू सपोज दिस इज द चार्ज क्यू सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज चूज this is O point, this is the P point. The O to P distance is R, small r. Listen, here at this point electric field we have already known beta q by r square. I have already proved, but at this point potential is beta q by r. This expression mu praman kari nahi. This expression today in today class I will prove. Listen, so a proof गोटे पॉइंट चार्ज को किसी डिस्टेंस ए पॉइंट टा ए चार्ज ठार किसी डिस्टेंस रहउछ आर डिस्टेंस रे ए पॉइंट रे हम जे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पाउथले से पोटेंशियल पाइबा v = बीटा q by r सेटा हम प्रमाण करिया तेनु करी हम ए प्रमाण करिया पूर्व हेडिंग दबा हम लिखिबा इट मे बी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन द डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ मेक ए हेडिंग determination of electric potential due to point charge. Make a heading. Determination of electric potential due to point charge. First of all, you have to draw a figure. Suppose this point is the Q charge. This point is named as O. Another point P. This P at a distance from R, small r, listen, small r. That means we have to find out the potential V at point P. Listen, but in this class we are going to prove the potential at point P V is equal to beta q by r. Listen, so due to q charge another point is chosen. Suppose this point is A. This point is A. A is the very large distance, maybe assumed as infinite distance. That A, suppose the x distance is x. This point A distance is h. That means this is r distance, this is x distance. That means this x distance much greater than r distance. This x distance may be infinite. So suppose at this point charge is placed is q0. Charge is placed is q. Suppose another point we have to choose B. That means O to A is x distance. A to B, the very small distance, that is named as dx distance. Yes, sir. So you have to write down. Consider the positive charge Q. You can write down. Consider the positive charge Q is placed at O and another point. Consider the positive charge is Q is placed at O and point P and point P at a distance at a distance r, small r from O. From O, we have to, we wish the determination of potential at point P. Potential at point P. Consider a positive charge Q is placed at O and point P at a distance r from O. We wish the determination of potential at point P. Listen. Suppose Q0 charge, a test charge Q0 is placed at A which at a distance x from O. Listen. And A to B distance is the dx distance. Listen. You have to write down. Here a point charge, here a test charge Q0 is bringing from A to P, from A to, here a test charge Q0 is bringing from A to B, here a test charge Q0 is bringing from A to B at displaced dx distance, so the work done is required. ताले x distance पाई जदि आमे w work done required करिवा ताले dx पाई dw work done required करिवा. So dw is the work done is required. So dw is work done is required. dw work done is required. So here dw is equal to what? dw is equal to f dot dx. That means bringing a Q0 charge from A to B. That means the charge displaced distance dx distance. That means it requires dw work done. That means for dx distance displacing, the dw work done is required. So dw is equal to f dot dx. That is equal to f dx cos 180 degree. Because force is here. First of all, here force is what? It can be visible or not. So force is what? Force is beta q0 by x square. It is visible or not? Beta q0 by x square. It is a repulsive force. repulsive force. That means force is in this direction. Repulsive force is in this direction. Displacement is in this direction. Yes or no? So that's why we can write dw is equal to f dot dx or f dx cos 180 degree because f is in this direction, f is force is in this direction, rightward direction, but charge is displacing from right to left. That means displacement direction is leftward direction, force direction is rightward direction. So that is why f dx, angle between f dx is 180 degree. Yes or no? So here f and dx, f and dx anti-parallel each other. Anti-parallel each other. So theta is equal to 180 degree. So theta is equal to 180 degree. Listen. So dw is equal to minus f dx. F is equal to कितना बीटा q0 by x square into dx. But work done required from A to P. So you can write down up to this point. Work done required from infinite to r distance. Work done required from A to work done required from infinite to, we can choose the x distance is maybe infinite because it's a very large distance. This is the much large, greater than the r, so maybe taken as infinite. So work done required from infinite to point P. Distance point P at a distance r, small r. It can be visible or not. Listen. So the W is equal to what? Work done required from infinite to P. W is equal to integration of dw. It can be visible or not. W is equal to dw. So we can write W is equal to integration of minus beta q0 by x square into dx from infinite to r distance. That means from infinite to r distance. That means infinite to r distance. The body is आसुची को पटरू डान पटरू. That means right side to आसुची. ताने from infinite distance to r distance. Infinite distance to r distance. So starting from infinite, ending is r. So W is equal to minus beta q0 integration of x to the power minus 2 dx infinite to r. So not required this figure. So expression is the nearly about end on position. and so we have already known the integration of x to the power n. Integration of x to the power n dx we have already known, and mathematics class तुम्हें माने mathematics class रे पढ़िबो ये सुन the integration of this you will study in mathematics class about integration. Just you have to remember this formula. The integration of x to the power n dx means x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the integration of x. Yes or no? Suppose the integration x to n, the upper limit, higher limit we can choose. The upper limit, suppose upper limit is x, higher limit is y. Then we can write the square bracket here, then x to y. That means value of, suppose point P, suppose Q. Similarly, point P, Q. So value of x is the higher limit and lower limit. The higher limit is Q. We can choose Q is placed instead of x. Q to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus higher limit is over, then minus lower limit. Then P is placed instead of x. P to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the higher limit to lower limit. Basically, you have to remember the formula is x to the power n dx means x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Yes or no? Similarly, here we can choose minus beta q0 x to the power minus 2 x to the power minus 2 integration of x to the power minus 2 dx, the infinite to r. So we can write minus beta q0 x to the power minus 2 x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So higher limit is r, lower limit is infinite. So here minus beta q0 x to the power, here x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 infinite to r. Here minus is baharu kadaniba. The minus is taken from inside to outside. The result is beta q0 1 by x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. Yes or no? So 1 by x infinite to r. So we have already discussed about this integration, the high limit or low limit. Beta q0, the putting the value of higher limit is r, 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. Yes or no? So 1 by r, 1 by infinite. So beta q0 1 by infinite is the 0. So finally it's beta q0 by r. That means w is equal to beta q0 by r. Beta q, it can visible or not? Beta q0 by r. Beta q0 by r. Similarly, so I have done w is equal to beta q0 by r square. But we have to determine the potential at point P. What done is we have already find out. Then after you have to find the value of potential at point B. We have already known the W is equal to beta q0 by r square. We have already known, we know, you can write, we know the work done per unit charge is called potential. That means को चार्ज वो ही क्या आनुचंती q0, वर्क डन केते बीटा q0 by r square. That means potential v is equal to potential v w by q0. w केते बीटा q0 by r into q0 cancel. So beta V is equal to beta Q by R. That is the formula of potential at point P. Potential at point P, beta Q by R means this. So you have to write down some notes. Some notes. Some notes. Some notes. Suppose this is the point charge Q. O. The point P. Distance is R. Here E is equal to beta Q by R square. We have already proved that is equal to E proportional to 1 by R square. Here at this point V is equal to beta Q by R, beta Q by R, or V proportional to 1 by R. That means here we can draw. Here we can draw. The R is distance here. The V or E. The V is here. This is the V proportional to 1 by R. But here E is the E proportional to 1 by R square. Yes or no? V directly, indirectly proportional to universally proportional 1 by R. E inversely proportional 1 by R square. R square means ये ज़्यादा बेंड हो जाएगा, सो इसलिए वो ज़्यादा बेंड हो जाएगा. वो वाला V है शार्पली कर्व V. दिस इज द V कर्व, दिस इज द E कर्व. Listen. So you have to note down. Then some important point after this expression V is equal to beta Q by R. Then you have to write down some points, the potential reference. Make a heading, potential reference. Make a heading, reference of potential. You can draw three types: zero potential, positive potential, negative potential. First zero potential. जीरो पोटेंशियल का मतलब क्या है? पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल, नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल. ये सुन, जीरो पोटेंशियल मीन्स ड्यू टू चार्ज the potential at point P is always zero. That means we have already known V is equal to beta Q by R. V is zero. That means whenever R is equal to infinite, suppose R is equal to infinite, that means something by infinite is equal to value of zero. So V is equal to zero. So you have to think about Earth. Earth is a very large sphere. Earth is look like a sphere. So Earth has radius is the very large. Earth has a radius is very large. That very large Earth we have to take as Earth is nearly about the value is infinite. So then we have to choose, or we have to take in the potential at the Earth is always zero, because R is the very infinite. So potential is zero. So we can write here zero potential means somebody, that means Earth has potential is zero, or another body, suppose another body is some charges, their charge body is connected to Earth, then it has potential also be zero, because this charge is connected to this. That means total whole charge is transferred to the Earth. That means this body is connected by Earth, connected by some conductor, or the charge is placed on the earth, then it has potential is 0 because it's connected to earth. Earth has potential 0. So which body is connected to earth, that is also be 0. So the body, you can write the body is connected to earth. So potential due to body is 0. We have already known earth has potential 0. That means which body is connected to earth, then such body is also be 0 potential. Yes or no? So the body is connected to earth, that means V is equal to 0. Yes or no? The 0 potential. Yes or no? Which body connected to earth, then 0 potential is produced. So positive potential, that means the positive charge is connected positive charge is connected to earth. So charge is connected, positive charge is connected to earth. So the positive charge flow body to earth. You have to just remember a point. Whenever positive charge will be connected to earth, then positive charge flow from body to earth, and negative charge flow from earth to body. The positive body, the connected to earth, that means this is the positive charge. From earth to body, this is the negative charge. You have to remember. Yes or no? So negative potential, negative charge is connected to earth. The negative charge flow from body to earth, and positive charge from earth to body. We have to draw. This is the negative connected to earth. So the negative charge flows this body to the earth. Positive charge flow earth to. Positive charge is flow from earth to body. Yes or you have to remember this negative charge, this positive charge, this body may be positive or negative, but this body is always 0 potential because they connected to earth. Which body is connected to earth? Which body is connected to earth? Then such body has 0 potential. Yes, but we have to think the 0 potential, positive potential, negative. Positive potential, we have to remember due to positive charge, the potential is created 0 potential. That means you can write down. Then after some points, you can write. Positive charge refers positive potential negative charge refer negative potential. Listen, so you can write down. Then positive charge refers positive potential, negative charge negative. That means suppose this point is O, this is the positive charge. Suppose this point P is R distance, this distance is R. Here potential is beta Q by R. This is the positive. Similarly, this point is Q is charge O, this point P, distance is R. Here V is equal minus beta Q by R. This is the negative value, this is the positive. Due to negative charge, potential is negative. Due to positive charge, potential is positive. Yes or no? So this is the thing. This is the about the potential. V is equal beta Q by R. आम तो जानले किसी कॉन्सेप्ट या पर आम नेक्स्ट क्लास पढ़ा आगु आगु पोटेंशियल विषय जाना एति थाउ ये सुन सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.